Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm doing good and I'm in a clean bills of health. Today I am thinking to discuss about why English is so important in our life that we should always talk in English. Not always, it's okay, you can use your mother tongue, but to have the knowledge of the English is very important. You must be agree with me. Let me give you one example. First, English is a global language, alright? Wherever you go, at least if there are 10 people, at least 8 people would be very much aware of the English because this has become the global language. You have to rely on this language anywhere, I must say everywhere. This is the first step if you want to go somewhere else, because the first line in a thumbnail, in a nutshell, if I have to tell you that it is a window to the world. Okay, if you are studying English, then I must tell you that studying English can help you to get a job, right? If you must have seen that people are giving the training how to enter in the cabin, how to stand, how to sit, and how to start your words, how you are presenting yourself. That is very much important during the job. So it is said that you should have the knowledge of the English because this is the entry card in any big organization if you want to do a good salary package job. Now, if I am very good in English, then it is going to help me to meet new people, right? Because if I know only my mother tongue and I am just relying on that, but the front person is not at all aware of it. But English is such a common language that nowadays everyone is aware of that. So this can be the communicate bridge between you and I, and between the amongst the people who are from the different part of the world, and if they want to maintain the relationships, then they can communicate in English, right? So this is really very important line. Now you must be agree कि whenever you are going anywhere and if you are filling any form, whether it's a hospital, and if you are giving any feedback, or you are going in a scientific place, anywhere, if even in the schools of your child, if you want to take the admission of your child, you have to fill the form in English, right? Any inquiry form, whatever the papers you are getting in front of you, they all are in English. So that makes you that you cannot rely every time to someone else that they will let you know what is written on the paper and what you have to reply. So for that is also the reason that why it is such important language, right? Nowadays our media is flourishing like anything, because in media, if you will visit the BBC, if you want to take a visit of the international media, then you will see that media is up to the mark times now, and you can save many good channel. If you want to take a good words and good vocabs, you will find that the medias are throwing the very good English, very imperative English, very different falling impression kind of the English. But if you have to understand that, for that you have to abreast of the basic English, and then you are going to see the media in the sense electronic media. If you go with the newspaper, each and everything are coming in English. So if you want to understand, then it is very important to be aware of your this foreign language, right? Because the media, without seeing the news, without seeing the media, we are not updating ourselves with the small news what is happening in our town. And if we want to communicate, we want to convey what is happening in our town, even that case we should know English. Now the most important thing in our life, which has become the part of our life, that is internet. If you want to search anything in the Google Baba, and anywhere, if you want to go to YouTube, okay, now the mother tongue has become the option, but the priority is given to the English. If you want to search anything in the Google or anywhere, first of all you are going to find it in English. Okay, now the facilities are given that the people who are not aware of the English, they can find the same thing while typing in. That is an option, but still, why to go with the option if we can improve our language, if we can improve it with vocab, with idioms, and with practice, practice, and practice. Now if you want to travel around the world, and if you are not aware of the language of that part of the country, because in a single minute you cannot be aware of all the languages, whether it's a national languages. We have so many languages. I'm sorry, we have so many languages in our country, but we don't know all the national or mother tongues of the different part of the country. So how can we know the different languages of the world, like Spanish, French, Portuguese? But yes, if you want to travel, the only language to bridge us with other people is English. So if you want to enjoy the traveling, if you want that your traveling should be so much ease, then that is going to help you a lot, because every time you cannot have an interpreter with you, the translator with you. It's better to become the interpreter of yourself. Let your mind be your best interpreter. So I would recommend that this language is really, really very important. Now you have seen the big businessmen like Ambani, Tata, very, very big people. So when they are doing the business, they adopt the language of the English. They cannot do the business with Hindi, or they cannot do the business with Gujarati. I don't think Mr. Ambani must be doing his business in Gujarati. Okay, so for that also English is very important, because you cannot do the business, as I have said, in your native language. So it has become the bridge in all the parts, in all the field right now. Okay. Nowadays we have seen our generation, they are moving out of India. They want to study abroad. They want to go to the India, out of India, and they want to study abroad without thinking that how much they are aware of the international language. So at that time they think that, yeah, now I should know the English. Why should not you start with a basic language? You start with the roots, you start with the base, so that whenever you go out of the country, that doesn't make any problem to you. Because if you want to study anywhere in the world, the only language which is going to help you, that would be your English. So, so please don't take it lightly, and do more and more and more practice in English. Okay. Now if you want to get close to the people, the only thing which help us is to aware of their culture, what they like, what they don't like, and how we should present ourselves in front of them. In that case also, if you want to understand a different culture of the different people, because if we are going to visit to the different places, and to understand their culture, who will make us understand, who knows who will become the guide of us. So mostly at that time also English will help us. So in a nutshell, I would say once again that English is the window to the world. Don't take it as that it is very important. If you will talk in English, you will sound a very hi-fi. Not at all. Nowadays, it has become very important and essential part of our life. So it has become that now you will see that many English pages has started to train you. Has started to give you a different idiomatic sentences, phrases. That is, yes, that comes for advanced English. But yes, basic English is also very important. Please don't take it lightly. And yes, the only mantra to be very, very fluent in English is only practice, practice, and practice. Thank you.